Shalom YouTube, we're having sweet potatoes today. Harvesting sweet potatoes. Got a whole 5-gallon bucket so far, and we're only halfway done. We planted sweet potatoes in the tires, added dirt on top of them, watered them, gave them some organic fertilizer. And like I said, we're only halfway finished. Mommy. Going sweet potatoes. Look at that. Hallelujah. Look at this booger right here. Hallelujah. Bless y'all. This is Brother Devlin, the Georgia Saints here. We just pulled up the sweet potatoes. As you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4.5 buckets of sweet potatoes. We planted them in these black tires we got from a used tire store. They were throwing them out, so we got about 15 tires. Added dirt, threw the sweet potato slits in there, threw more dirt on top, waited 120 days, 4 months, and this is what we yielded. 4.5 buckets of sweet potatoes. So we're looking forward to some sweet potato pie, some sweet potato fries, some mashed sweet potatoes, and anything else we can do with sweet potatoes, because we love sweet potatoes here in Georgia. Bless y'all.